Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.